Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. DJI Zenmuse XT2, what is it? I'll have more coming up. Today via a live Twitter feed, which I believe is a first for DJI, DJI Enterprise introduced the Zenmuse XT2. Bill, what's the Zenmuse XT2? Put the first slide up. Introducing the Zenmuse XT2, a new dual sensor thermal solution that will power the next generation of commercial drone solutions. Dual vision, superior intelligence. And as I put, these slides will be small, and you're going to see the part of the promo film that DJI uses in the background here as I read through these. The Zenmuse XT2 combines thermal and visual sensors to see the world in new ways. It's a 4K visual sensor and a Tau2 a thermal core. The next slide. To unlock the power of dual sensors, DJI and FLIR built in a variety of intelligent features, including FLIR MSX. This enables a range of applications, including hazardous material situations. Next slide. The XT2 will seamlessly mount on the M200 series and M600 Pro. Gain access to these features today with DJI Pilot app for Android, and later in April with DJI XT Pro app for iOS. Introducing the new Payload SDK, a system for developers, manufacturers, and more to bring their tools to the sky. This was the second thing that DJI introduced today. And I'll tell you exactly what that is here in a second. Enabled by opening up the new DJI Skyport adapter, the Payload SDK allows developers to integrate any tool into the M200 series drone platforms. Finally, Bill, what is Payload SDK? The Payload SDK lets developers, drone startups, and sensor manufacturers integrate their own payloads and other air-to-ground communication tools directly into DJI's M200 series drone platforms. This is significant, and we'll talk about this here in a minute. You can see right up here, a DJI Enterprise M210 RTK outfitted with new FLIR XT tool sensor and a super gimbaled spotlight. That is an incredible looking drone. I'm going to throw the last slide up here. With the new Zenmuse XT2 and Payload SDK, the M210 platform is more versatile than ever. Just imagine what future payloads might entail. This is significant, and the reason, and a lot of people, the applications are going to be, I think, very obvious here. Fire departments, search and rescue, companies, chemical companies, as you saw in the videos, looking through at solar panels. The list will go on and on and on with these thermal imaging. It's incredible what we'll be able to do with this. This is just, it has unlimited potential, and this is very exciting. And of course, if you're familiar with the Matrix series of drones, they are completely they're not only waterproof, they're weatherproof, and they're built to withstand harsh conditions, wind, and this is significant. This is incredible. Now the Payload SDK combined with that, what that does is that allows third-party manufacturers to develop payloads for the Matrix series of drones and be able to integrate it seamlessly with that. And that's huge because, DJI, as big a company as they are, they don't have unlimited resources, but there are other companies out there who specialize in things like, for example, the camera, the thermal imaging camera, was developed with FLIR. There are companies out there like that that will be able to develop new applications to be able to put on a Matrix series of drones. Bottom line, what it means to all of us who are, fly our Phantom 4 Pros and our Mavic Pros and our Mavic Airs, that technology is going to trickle down and it's going to benefit all of us. Hopefully maybe someday we'll see some type of thermal imaging in an affordable platform. What if one of our dogs get loose and you want to find that, or you're looking for something in your yard and you lost it and it has some type of heat signature with it. The list can go on and on here, but getting these technologies to come down to consumer platforms is fantastic. Being able to example, if something like the Payload SDK would come to say like a Phantom 4 Pro or a Phantom, you know, whatever the next Phantom series is called, you know, being able to adjust the payload, to be able to change things, to put things on there. This is fantastic and it's exciting. So, you know, eventually look for these kind of things to happen in the future. If you like the content from today's video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about the channel. Also, be sure to check out my Facebook page where I do post daily updates regarding the drone and drone industry and anything, of course, that's DJI related. Also, be sure to check out my blog where I do post all their videos. Thanks for watching and happy flying.